Cool. So as I said, we're doing three thoughts of the days today, and so this second thought is on generosity. It's on generosity, and it's one of the most famous and intense writers that the human history has ever had. I'm glad I just ruffled through these pages to find a thought, and I found this thought by Khalil Gibran. And I've read a few books by him, and I think although I don't remember a lot, uh, I remember one quote by him that was about freedom. But this quote, I hope I will do that thought another day. And this thought by Khalil Gibran is about generosity, and he says generosity is giving more than you can. Generosity is giving more than you can. Pride is taking less than you need. Generosity is giving more than you can. Pride is taking less than you need. So I think as people who are more fortunate than other people who are not as fortunate economically, we should try to give certain percentage of what we make to the poor. Even if we don't give certain percentage, we should give something whenever we can to the poor who live off the streets, who don't have food to eat, who don't have a home to stay. Just give whatever you can. It makes you feel good. I mean, don't even if you don't want it to do it for them, do it for yourself, because whenever you give something to someone who can't return it back to you, you really feel good, because you feel you added some sort of value to their life. And generosity is giving more than you can. And when you're receiving, and you're on the receiving end, it's pride, because you don't want to take help from others, right? As human beings, we have pride, and we don't want to take help from others, right? And pride stops us from receiving a lot, because eventually we have pride, and we don't want to receive a lot. We don't feel good about it, because the one who gives is a bigger person than the one who takes, after all. So pride is taking less than you need, and generosity is giving more than you can. So whenever there's an opportunity to give, do give whatever you can, even if they're small things, small amount of money, small acts of kindness, whatever you can do for others. Be a nice person, be a nice human being. Just do. The whole point, I think, about our lives is to figure out how to be nice people. After all, that's what life is really about: to become better as people, to become to be more helpful to the world that we live in. And that's what I'm trying to do on these videos also. I'm just trying to be useful. I'm just trying to learn something, and hopefully in the process all of us will learn something together. And that's the point of these thought of the day videos. So give more than you can. That's generosity, right? So try to be generous in life, especially when you're giving, right? Because you can actually be generous only when you're giving, right? So Khalil Gibran: generosity is giving more than you can, and pride is taking less than you need. That is the thought of the day.